So what's up? Mm, yeah. Mm, so what's up? We're live. I just want to start off the live stream by saying, rest in peace to my pet. Uh, uh, Dogs, they teach you priceless things in life. Dogs, pets, and animals, they will teach you things. I mean, you can have $1 trillion, you can have all the money in the world, and you will not receive the lesson nor the what it is that you want. What the fuck? So, I don't know. Since that dog is left, I feel as if just like like you have like that natural like a garden or like just like the flowers or like nature, like that protection that God gives you. I feel like it's gone. So rest in peace. You know, like I just can't describe how much I miss that dog, but rest in peace. Mm, 1 2 1 2. Okay, so today we saw a spike in GME from $50 to about $95.10. Uh, my predictions were right about yesterday. Well, moves more towards AMC. I did not trade AMC today. I'm glad I didn't because AMC flopped even more. But AMC had a nice morning spike. But the thing was is that I sold extremely prematurely. I made $1.53 on GME. I sold so early because I'm not used to trading like that, like having multiple up days and just in a row, and just like not only that but predicting it and seeking it out when knowing it. So I could have had a 1600 day or 1600 day, but I'm telling you, it's a freaking journey. You live to trade another day, and hopefully, it's not over. GME, we'll see another spike, but it depends. It depends. It depends. But they just want to see the volume and the volatility dissipate. So maybe you can that move will come again next week, and you'll have another opportunities next week because I'm trying to stay in this, and I'm not trying to leave where everybody is jumping ship. I'm trying to be here another year. I'm trying to be here a year later, and I'm trying to, I could have got my account to like 4K today, to like 4K plus, like 4K, $300. But I mean, I made profit. I made some money today. It's good. You know, of course, my journey is different than other people's journey. I know everybody's journey is different, but there's people also here that the first 4 months, the first year of trading, they were just losing. I'm winning. The knowledge that I gained and the things that I learned, I'm so blessed to know them, So I had an update today on GME, just $100.53, $153 on GME, and I could have made over $1,000, but I sold so prematurely. 'Cause, you live and you learn, and hopefully, next week. Hey, next week. It's a little frustrating though it is. What other news? Nokia. Nokia's flopping. What the hell is Nokia? I might just sell Nokia because it's not performing at all. Look at that. Just consolidation city. Consolidation in the post market around 424, 421. Consolidation around 440 and 430. Consolidation city. That is like I want to sell that shit so bad, but I'm just waiting for. Did Nokia have an earnings report? I'm not too sure. I need to check that again. Uh, but I was right about maybe yesterday I was right about GME names and yeah, caught that move. I had my order. I stayed up. I got up like at 4 a.m. and I held a position 53.50 and I sold around 57 something. But if I wouldn't if I wouldn't know that that shit it gets me mad, but that shit it burns a fire inside of you. If I wouldn't know GME was gonna go to 95 today, well, that's what they're gonna. That's what's usually gonna happen because all that volatility and all those shares and all that volume is not. They want it to dissipate, but that's not gonna happen. You know, there's still a lot of buying pressure on GME from hopefully all the seasoned investors, and I'm learning from the seasoned traders and investors, and hopefully I get another chance next week on GME so I can recover my account fully. But shit, man. I mean, I saw it go down to like it went like it started. It opened in the pre-market at around 53.50. Where did it open? Let me see. Yeah, around 53.50 in the pre-market, and then that's exactly. So I tell you, this is calculated. This isn't. This isn't. You can remove the kerfuffle and all the bullshit, and you can learn and you can know what you're doing. So you won't be stupid out there. So yeah, it opened right before 9:30 exact. It was at 53.50 and 9:29. So it basically opened at 9:50. You know, I mean at 53.50. Mm, I made 153 $1, a buck 53 on it. So hopefully next week we'll have more opportunities. Uh, on AMC, you might see something next week. We got earnings report on the 21st. Might trade that. Just might trade that, but I couldn't come back stronger like so fast, but I sold so prematurely. I ain't used to I ain't used to none of this. It's so fast. It's a fast moving market. So shit. Oh yeah. What else is popular? Crypto. You got Dogecoin. You got Bitcoin. You got Ethereum, which I don't follow. I follow stocks is my bread and butter. I don't think I'll go anywhere neither for some time. Maybe I don't know. I won't do options. The stocks. And what else is in the news? Yahoo Finance. Hard. Two reasons AMC will have a hard time bouncing back. The entertainment company is experiencing substantial decreases in revenue as it's forced to operate at reduced capacity. When was that? That was the fourth. AMC trades temporarily blocked on Square's Cash App. Traders were once blocked from buying shares of GameStop and AMC Entertainment, but this time instead of Robinhood interfering with the ability to trade, it was Square's Cash App. Square had been one of the big beneficiaries of the hubbub. But that was raised last week after Robinhood prohibited its app users from buying shares of AMC GameStop, and dozens of other stocks as their prices surged during a massive gamma squeeze that cost short seller billions of dollars. So yeah, that's Yahoo Finance. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people holding AMC. You got even some people holding GME, but these type of things don't dissipate, especially a movement this big. Uh, I don't know. I had to compare it to the Volkswagen in 2008. I don't know, maybe to hedge my opportunities. See if I want to get in again next week and ride it up to. I mean, it can dip down. It can dip down to 30, around 40ish, 30. They can do that. You know, they could dip down even lower. Buy it at a lower price, but it'll go up again. It'll have another morning spike. Um, okay, what a cool Tesla. Tesla closed at 852 and 23 cents. Had it gained 2.24 points. I don't trade Tesla. I never traded it. But that's Tesla. Mm, Tesla goes down to like 730s, 750s, the 810s, and then it goes up to like 900 something, 930, 920 before it falls back down. It seems like a good trade for somebody with a bigger account. Hmm. If you can buy 100 shares of Tesla, shit, Jesus. Yeah. So let me see what AMC did today. AMC is consolidating in the post market. In the post market, and it did that for an hour and a half, really around 696 and 685. So that looks like a good buy. You can make a cool $200 if you buy like I don't know. You can make some money next week if you want to trade that. It'll go back up to 7 or 8. How did AMC do today? AMC AMC opened in the opening bell at 7:27. At 7:21, you know that looks like a good buy. Then it went down to 6:52. That was at 9:40 a.m. Went back up to 8:27. I probably would have sold at 8:13. You know, but I never had plays like that though. It's been some time, and those opportunities are coming back into the market. You just gotta, stay strong. The biggest gain was GME. That was last week. Well, $1,000 gain on GME. They lost it on AMC again. How much you would have made? You would have come in I would have come in like probably like at 665. You know, I mean after all of that consolidation, I mean that seems like a good play because you learn all these words and all this candlestick behavior, and you learn every day. You learn when to put in your orders to make a profit. So yeah, you want to got in like at 665. Yeah, that's $1.35. $1.35 plus 12. That's $1.42 a share. I probably would have bought like 200. Yeah, make a cool. How much would you make? 42 times 200. Make some money. Make 284 bucks. What gets me mad is that I sold too early on GME. Extremely early. Extremely early. Almost like just just sadly early. Oh, so early. I made almost nothing. Look at that. Because of course, all of that consolidation, I'm like, bro, like, you really think this shit is gonna go any lower? That's like I'm saying, like, there's still moves on GME, like that's not the last of it. Like I can, this next week is game on. It went down to $51, went all the way up to exactly $95. So I'm just mad how early I sold because I'm not used to just like getting filled in like that. I'm not used to getting filled in like that. I tell you, man. I'll tell you, I ain't used to that shit. I'm not used to that shit. Getting filled like that. Jesus. But that's the power from you learning and studying it every day. But I sold extremely early, so that is very frustrating. Mm. What else is in the news? Saba scientist. What is this? Oh, look at that. Saba scientist dipped to $48. Went all the way up to 63. So the market is probably gonna look like this. Those little mini spikes, they're not gonna dissipate anytime soon, in my opinion. So you just keep gaining more knowledge and learning every day, and you will come out on top. You know, there's just a reality to me, just like to me as a trader, where if I get to a certain point, I have to remove funds out of my account. That's what I need to do. So I ain't playing out here, son. I ain't fucking playing. So I'm gonna get my account to 10K to 7K. I'll liquidate some funds and oh god, enjoy the fruits of the trade and my labor, if you want to say that. Cassava Sciences closed at $44.80. So that seems like a good trade. You see, everything is just really, it's just you see all these stocks, they're just consolidating. They're just flattening out. And so when it flattens out, that means that there's gonna be a huge bounce most of the time. That doesn't mean that there's gonna be a gap down. So well, I'm excited, my guy. I'm so excited. You see, Cassava Sciences in the last 5 days. You go on Google, that thing it was up like 120. You on TD, Cassava Sciences. So you know, there's huge plays in the market right now, man. You gotta take full advantage of them, man. Oh my God, just take full advantage of them. Look at that. There's profit taking everywhere, son. That thing, it has $8 moves. It has $20 moves, $30 moves. $66 went all the way up to 81. Make $15 a share. 94. All right, where did Cassava open? This was the fourth. Where did it open on the fifth? In the pre-market, it opened like around $54.92. Around, yeah, $57.89, around the same as GME. Price action was almost the same as GME on Cassava Sciences. Where did it open? It opened around $54.05. So, I want to make money, but I'll tell you, man, I ain't used to getting filled like that. I'm not used to that shit, son. On GME, what happened on GME is that it happened so fast. I was like, oh, hold up, you know. And then they freeze the chart quick. 'Cause that's what happens. They freeze. No, it's crazy. It's crazy. They freeze the chart, so they won't let you in. It's dirty. They play dirty games, but I ain't going nowhere, son. I'm staying right here. I'm gonna make my money. I'm gonna have so many updates. It's not even funny, son. Look at that. 94, $95. Are you kidding me, son? Are you fucking kidding me? I had an order for first it was like 41 shares, and then I went up to like 47, just riding the wave. My God. I could have made over $1,000 today. So, you know, I mean, there's opportunities everywhere. You got people saying like, oh, everybody got their opinion, be like, oh, you're gonna blow out your account, this and that. If there's opportunities, take them, because that's what I'm doing. Take them. There's only a finite, of suffering in this. If you learn and you teach yourself every day and you do the research. Oh, what's up, Peter? Peter Rudigen Metcalf. I got more at $69 as a joke, but I think it will make me rich. My average price is $73, but some friend went, oh god damn it. My Jesus. What happened to your friend? Jesus. I wouldn't want to be him. But we're all him at some point, I guess, because my account almost got wiped out on AMC. So I had over a $2,000 loss on AMC. But you live and learn. And you live to trade another day in this industry. Let me tell you that. It's not all diamond hands. It's not all just hold and it's not all that all the time. There's people here holding and they don't, they don't have they don't know nothing. You're up against professionals. You're up against people that are one step ahead of you. Okay. Yep. So, but there's still opportunities, and the volatility, the market action isn't going anywhere. The volatility, the volume, it ain't going nowhere. So, you got to cover your ass in this business. You got to cover your ass. You got to move on, and you got to take your money and liquidate your funds, because your money will be taken. You will lose money, and that ain't pretty. So just manage your risk, and when you get to a certain couple, I mean, that's what I'm doing. When I get to a certain type of number, I'm liquidating my funds. I'm managing my risk. When you have all these, me, the way I see it, when I'm having all these updates, there's only, you gotta hedge your bets. You gotta hedge your bets. You gotta take your money. And you gotta be but it's so intoxicating, right? Because there's so many opportunities everywhere. So you can just kill it in the market. You can come in like 5K and have like a 10K account by the end of the month, by the end of the week, you know. So The market is crazy. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get my account to a certain level, and I'm gonna liquidate my funds, and I'm gonna take it from there. Cause you got to be responsible. What else is in the news? Mm, Walmart, Target. You got Activision is up 10 points. Activision is up 8 points, just under 9 points. Yeah. What was it trading previously? Activision. Look at that. The fourth Activision was at $92, 92.63, and right before market close on the fourth, and then it had a bounce up. It had a gap up in the morning, and the market open actually. The market open to $102.49. So that's a good play. And before it bounced up, it gained another dollar. Before I mean it started gapping down. It started losing. It gained another dollar and went down. So not really. It didn't lose that much. It stayed fairly consistent. It stayed right above $100. So yeah. I mean, I can check where's crypto going. You got Riot, you got Mara, you got BTBT. Mara, BTBT, Mara opened in the opening bell around 21:14. Didn't really have a high of day, but if you want to see like a high of day, what could have that been? Around $23.41, right before the closing bell. Half an hour before the closing bell. So you know that looks like a good play. Then you got BTBT. That's another crypto stock. BTBT opened in the opening bell at 1904. Went down to 1866. Went back up to $19.91. So yeah. But then it flopped. It just consolidating was losing. So I think this is what happens in the market. When I think, what do you call this, a rally? You check the Nasdaq today. Yeah, those are both listed on the Nasdaq. BTBT and Mara. You gotta look for Riot. Yeah, so the market is consolidating right now. I mean, that was in the post market. Mm. So there's gonna be opportunities everywhere. I wouldn't drop GME just yet. You know, I'm hunting down GME. Let me go to Riot. But the tricky thing about GME is that you may or may not see that spike. It may have a midday spike. It may have an afternoon spike. It may have, or just you gotta hope for that morning spike next week. But we could see it, but they could be everywhere. Like catching a pre-market, but it's coming. It's coming because it's not over yet. That volatility, all that volatility, and all that volume isn't going anywhere. So make my money. Riot. Riot. It closed at $23.83. It opened in the opening bell at 21.81. Went all the way out to 22.93. That was just at 9:35 a.m. Did it have a high day? I guess yeah. You can say it went up to 23.64. You can treat that as a high day. Make a quick. How much? How much is that? That's 88 cents a share. You could have come in like at 22.75. Sold at yeah. That's like 89 cents a share. Sold at 23.64. But there's a whole bunch of selling there. You see, people are taking profits. People were taking profit at 23.38. Yeah, and it went back up. So this plays everywhere. But the thing gets me is that just GME. I'm not dropping GME. GME is the main focus. It's the main focus. That's where my head is at. Because all that volatility and all that, what happened on GME happened, and there's still people, there's still a lot of plays left on GME. I feel like, you know, frustrating because I made close to nothing today. I made a buck 53, but I mean it's something. But I'm trying to, I'm trying to, you still got that fire, and you try to fucking. I'm trying to give back. I'm trying to recover my account here, so we'll see for GME. So that's crypto. You see, oh, BNGO, and then you got EDD. Let me see. 3D Systems provide comprehensive products and services including 3D printers, print material software, on-demand manufacturing services, and healthcare solutions. So this is a company of interest. And then you got where else? Hold up, take it step by step. Oh, hold up. Well, I'm saying 44.80 again. What stock did I just see that it was at 44.80? What stock was that? What stock was that? Oh, that was Cassava Sciences. That was Cassava Sciences. So yeah, the market is just same thing. I'm telling you. Cassava Sciences. Cassava Sciences in the post market it closed at 44.80. That's kind of interesting. That's cool. Uh, Let me see for 3D Systems Corporation. 3D Systems Corporation. It opened at $45, around $45.22. It dipped down to 43.29. Then it bounced back on a bullish candle, 43.17. Went all the way up to 44.59 and then 53.33. All within 24 minutes of that trading of that in the morning, of that trading session of that little time period. And then it went even up. It kept gaining. It went up to 46.97. So I was like, that's over $3 a share. So then it gained even more, went back down. But yeah, that's 3D Sciences had a high day of 48.39. But is that no? That yeah. I mean, it went up. No, the high day is actually 10 cents higher at 48.59. So yeah, how high was that? Yeah, that's 21 cents higher. So that's a good trade. And then what else do you have? BNGO, and you got QS. So BNGO, it always has resistance around in the 11s and the 12s and 13s that I wouldn't buy up there. Because this stock, you usually cannot find the bottom nor the resistance or support. This is one of the toughest stocks to trade. One of the toughest. I lost over $200 trading this stock. Yeah, it opened around 11.17, went down to 10.70, bounced up to 11.11. I mean, you could have made like around 59. How much is that? That's 32 plus 11. Yeah, that's 43 cents a share. Yeah, make some profit on that, but I mean, it had a higher day. I'll treat that as a higher day. 11.25. So yeah, so seems like a decent play. You can make little small gains in there, but my mind is still on GME because GME is like it's just you go to QS. QS was consolidating in the pre-market around 43.53 to $43. So a lot of consolidation, a lot of consolidation. You see it just consolidating in these prices. In these prices around from 43.80 to around it just consolidated at $43. Just a whole bunch of consolidation. Opened at $44.26. You see buying opportunities at $43. Yeah, you want to get in around $43 or around that 43.50, $43 flat. Went up to 70 to $47.61. I probably would have sold that 47.35 just because had a high day at 48.79. Man, there's nothing exciting. Just a whole bunch of choppy candlesticks. Oh no, but oh my god, that was the fourth. Yeah, that's on QS. BNGO, nothing too special on BNGO. Nothing too. I mean, yeah, there's something that you can trade QS. I can, there's still some plays out there. So, all right. So 3D Systems Corp. Is there a website for this shit? Yeah, there's a website. Solve complex engineering problems with additive manufacturing. This is 3dsystems.com. CERN LHCb advances practical detection capabilities with 3D printed cooling systems. CERN leveraged the application engineering enterprise housed within 3D Systems Customer Innovation Center in Leuven, Belgium, to accelerate its path forward with additive manufacturing. I don't know what is that. I don't know what the Node Audio evolves hi-fi sound with 3D printed speakers. Like, so they got 3D printed speakers. Oh, I've seen those. Those seem expensive as fuck. Those Node Audio speakers. So yeah. So they produce software, 3D printers, healthcare, like prosthetic limbs and shit. Look at that. Oh my god. Those 3D printers look amazing. Jesus. That's the future. So yeah. 3D printers. Oh, metal, plastic, metal casting, dental, jewelry. Jewelry? What do you mean jewelry? Digital solutions for jewelry, casting patterns. Master patterns for molds and prototype fit check models. Figure 4 jewelry. Project Jet 6000. New levels of affordability. Ease of use, quality in an entry level 3D printer. Prototyping and production dental jewelry. So this thing you can cut diamonds, like it can produce a diamond, like you just gotta what is it, like you just put like some dust in it and some type of solution that costs you like thousands. What the hell is this? Oh god. Art Forge Studio expands capability with 3D printed jewelry patterns. That's nice. You got some jewelry. What else? I mean, look, yeah, metal. But hold on, metal. You got 3D materials. Okay, scalable metal additive manufacturing for seamless large parts. Robust, flexible 3D printer for 24/7 part production. So this takes like metal parts and it'll print it for you. I guess that's cool. That's that's really useful. Seems like a productive company. You know, dental, metal casting, plastic. Dental 3D printers. Transformational 3D digital dentistry solutions bring new levels of clinical performance, workflow efficiency, and workflow automation. Next Dent 5100, redefining digital dentistry. Pro X 800 for dental. High 3D printing throughput, highest accuracy and detail. Yeah, so you got 3D printers. The stock, the stock seems to have good price action. Um, Come in for a good play on that. Make some money. You know. Yeah, the volume still seems pretty good. That's cool for QuantumScape. QuantumScape. QuantumScape is an American company that produces solid-state lithium-ion batteries for electric cars. The company is headquartered in San Jose, California, and employs around 200 people. Investors include Bill Gates and Volkswagen. So yeah, so the money is everywhere. The money is huh, so. Oh God, I can't wait to recover my account on GME. I don't know what's gonna happen. Shit, QuantumScape. Look at that. They produce car batteries. So what are solid state? So you can go all the people. These are all the chief financial officer, chief sales officer, chief development officer. So yeah, that's QuantumScape. My guy, like yo. So yeah, and this all goes in with all the knowledge that you obtain, and you learn how to read a 20-day chart, and you learn, and it's good. It's good. You know, let's see, technology, energy significantly increases volumetric and gravimetric energy density by eliminating graphite silicon anode host material. Fast charge enables 15-minute fast charge, 0 to 80% by eliminating lithium diffusion bottleneck and anode host material life. Increases life by eliminating capacity lost at anode interface. Safety eliminates organic separator. Solid state separator is non flammable and non combustible. Cost. Lower cost by eliminating anode host material and manufacturing costs. So yeah, this seems like another good company. But I also lost money trading this in the before. But these all seem like really good stocks in the future, and they are good stocks currently. So I mean, but QS, it was really choppy today. I mean, yeah, nothing really special on QuantumScape today. Mm. I mean, there was some opportunities yesterday. I don't know, but you see really small gains. Who isn't having small gains? You know, it still seems like a good play though, like a decent play on QS.